Alright, so we've just had a package delivered from China. It does contain a battery. I have disinfected it, by the way, and you might be able to see on here it says from Insta360. So we are going to open this here box and see what's inside. Now, I have waited a bloody long time for this to be delivered, so let's have a look. So what have we got in this first box? So we have, the fast charge hub. We have the battery base. We have a nice piece of paper that says, "Friend, thank you for your support and trust in Insta360. I'll just pop that there so you can have a read of that if you like. Put that box over there. Got sticky stuff on my thumb now. Alright, so I hope you've read that. That's quite a nice little message, I think, from J.K. Lee. And then we have this. So we have the Insta360 One R 1-inch Leica Edition. What should we open first? Let's put that there. Let's open the battery first. Alright, so overly packaged, but there's a battery. Now, I didn't order a battery, but it appears that because of the huge delay, this was supposed to be delivered in February, it's only been delivered now, and it's the 8th of April. So there's a battery. Shame it's red. I would have preferred it all to be black or something, but battery, fast charge hub. Again, I didn't order this, so this is another bonus from Insta, I believe. If I can get into the box. They've made the box bloody hard to open. There we go. Right, we're in the box. So this is the fast charge hub, so you can charge 2 batteries at once. So nothing else in the box. So what do we get? UK power adapter, which is 1.5 amps. I presume this is a USB lead, probably a USB-C lead. It is little USB-C lead, and then the fast charge hub. So I presume that they'll go on here somehow, like that, and then the other one will go on there. So we've got battery, fast charge hub, power adapter, and a USB lead so far. Oh, this is the exciting part. So let's try and get this open. And we'll see what's in here. Lovely packaging off. I should have brought a knife. Oh, oh, it's a slidey box. That's handy. Right, slidey box. Oh, it's bigger than I thought so far. That's a nice, definitely a nice box. So that's the front. That's the inside of the box. That's the front of the box. I like the way they've kind of made these lenses on here, so they're actually embossed, so they look 3D slightly. Back of the box. So it tells you what's in the box. So what have we got? We've got the core, 1-inch wide angle mod, battery base, mounting bracket, and another USB. So let's pull this out. Now it is in all its glory. Pull this box out. Anything under here? Doesn't appear to be. Let's pop that down there for a minute. Right. Let's open this little box first of all and see what we've got. Another USB-C. We have the little cage, so standard GoPro style fittings on there. Releases and opens up like so, and then just clips back. Doesn't clip very tight like the GoPro ones do, but just quite a simple mechanism to use. I'll pop that there then. Then there's this little bag with something in it. Oh, right. See, that's good. I like that Insta have done this. The adapter has the standard 1/4-20 tripod mount thread. So that's good. That saves having to have additional adapters. Then you get some Insta360 stickers. Looks like a little soft carrying case. Pop that open quickly if we can. Or is it a lens cloth? Oh, it's a lens cloth. That's nice. So they give you a nice little Insta360 lens cloth for cleaning your lens. A bag of silica gel and some instructions. Right, there we go. And then we have got the actual camera itself, which is covered in some nice protective films. Satisfying. Satisfying. And then we've got this one around here. That just slides off. There we go. Alright, that's the camera. Right, so let's just quickly compare the size of this to what's the most recent action camera? GoPro Hero 8. Right, let's compare it to a Hero 8. That there. So it's about the same height. It's a little bit wider, and it's quite a lot deeper. So that's the Hero 8. And the DJI Osmo Action. Again, bigger. It's bigger in every aspect. Oh, this is a light pollution filter on there anyway. And compare it to the Hero 5, 6 or 7. So again, it's a hell of a lot bigger. Okay, so how does it all come apart? No idea. There must be some kind of release on there. There's a little release at the front there. So you just pop that, battery comes off, and there must be another release here somewhere. No, they just pull apart. So you can change that out, you keep that part, change the lens bit out for different ones. So the wide angle or the 360 dual lens one, which I will order eventually. And then pop this all back together. It was right the first time. And it just clips back together. And we turn it on. Nice little animated logo there. Is it touchscreen? It is touchscreen. Install One R app to activate the camera, so we'll have to do that in a minute. So I'll do that. But you can see, if you can there, the nice little screen. And I believe what you can do with these, take that apart and flip that around, you can use it as a selfie camera, I'm sure. There we go. English. The touchscreen is a bit tiny and that lens cover does get in the way. God, that is massive. No signs of that. What would be nice is if they do bring out, because I presume this is going to keep it waterproof as well, different filters for this. Right, well, I am going to install the app, activate, oh, just taking a photo I think, activate the camera, and then what we shall do is try some test footage, I think. Little door here. Not sure I like the idea that the door doesn't come off completely, because quite often I like to take the door off. Well, it probably does come off completely, but take the door off, put it in a waterproof case, and then use it for night lapses, which is why I bought this 1-inch version. Oh, that's annoying, look. It doesn't pop in very well. Yeah. There we go, finally. So that's a bit awkward. That side door, once you pop it out, can be quite irritating to put it back in. So if you're using this underwater, which I think it goes up to 5 meters like this, once it's in the frame, if you haven't got that clipped in properly, your camera's going to be buggered. So just bear that in mind. Alright, well that worked that time. Alright, well okay, well that's the camera. I don't know if it's recording or not. I pressed the button. And that must be quick record. Let's see if we can power it off. Yep, shutting down. Right, there we go. So, Insta360. Well, thank you for watching. I will get some sample footage up and I will compare it to the Hero 8 and the Osmo.